This is another light activated switch. We have two stages of circuit. We have two circuit stages here. The initial will be the initial stage, that is the first transistor circuit. It detects the light, whether it is falling on it or depends on the light that is falling on the LDR. It activates the first transistor that will be turned on. When the resistor value it gets higher when there is a shade, when the light is cut off from the LDR, the resistor value then becomes greater. It will be raised. So that makes the base, the voltage towards the base, that will go beyond 0.7 volts. So that will turn the first transistor on, and it will create a voltage at the emitter, because the emitter and collector will be conducting, and it will raise the voltage at the emitter. It will be that voltage is transferred to the next transistor. This is another transistor that is much bigger, and it can support more higher load. So it can drive much more higher load, like motors, small DC motors, and smaller light bulbs. Most of the DC light, like LEDs or smaller powered light bulbs, you can run it through this transistor. So this voltage will turn on this transistor by it is connected directly to the base. So when the base voltage rises above the 0.7 volts, this transistor begin to conduct, and that will activates this motor. So that is how it is working. This is a dual stage circuit. So this is how it is working. I'm just keeping my finger across the LDR. This activates the motor. It also lights up the LED also. So this is how it is working. So you cannot use a smaller transistor here, because it won't have enough current to run much the load like this. You won't be able to run a load like this motor, or maybe any other heavier load rather than the the simple LED. It won't work. Smaller transistor can only run small LEDs, or it will only draw very smaller currents. So this transistor can take more load. So this is how it works. You can just I can adjust the speed also. If it is if a relay is placed, you cannot get the speed. Here you can adjust you can regulate the speed also. There is a difference. So this is the circuit.